Are you looking for the top 5 best sewing machines of 2023? I bought and tested these sewing machines so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. In this review, I'm diving deep into the top 5 sewing machines on the market right now. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, I've got something here for you. Product number 1. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. When I first got my hands on the Brother XM2701 sewing machine, I was immediately impressed by its lightweight design and compact size. Weighing in at just 12.6 pounds, this machine is perfect for those who might not have a dedicated sewing space. I set it up on my dining table, and within minutes, I was ready to sew. With 27 built-in stitches, including decorative and stretch stitches, I found myself experimenting with various fabrics and styles. The automatic needle threader was a game changer. I didn't have to squint and struggle to get the thread through the needle's eye, which is often a frustrating part of sewing. The jam-resistant drop-in bobbin was another thoughtful feature that saved me time and hassle. I remember working on a simple tote bag project, and the free arm capability allowed me to easily maneuver around the bag's edges, which made the whole process smoother than I anticipated. One thing I genuinely appreciated about the XM2701 is the included accessories. 6 sewing feet and a 3-piece needle set meant I had everything I needed to get started right away. However, the machine has its limitations. It may not handle heavy fabrics as well as a more robust model, and the stitch selection, while versatile, might not be sufficient for advanced users. I also found the manual a bit lacking in detailed instructions for beginners. But for the price point, this machine offers exceptional value. If you're a beginner or someone looking for a reliable sewing machine for everyday projects, the Brother XM2701 is a fantastic choice. It's user-friendly, versatile, and offers great support through Brother's customer service. So if you're on a budget and want a dependable Product number 2. Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE700 combines both sewing and embroidery, and when I first tried it out, I felt like a kid in a candy store. With 135 built-in designs and 103 built-in stitches, the options were overwhelming, yet exciting. I was particularly impressed by the 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field, which allowed me to create intricate designs on various fabric types. One of my favorite features was the wireless LAN capability. I was able to transmit embroidery files from my computer to the machine seamlessly, thanks to the design database transfer software. This feature made it incredibly easy to personalize my projects, and I found myself getting lost in creativity. The 3.7-inch touchscreen display was another highlight. It made navigating through the various features and designs a breeze. I could preview my designs before stitching, which saved me from making costly mistakes. The auto needle threader and drop-in bobbin also worked flawlessly, ensuring I spent less time threading and winding and more time creating. However, the SE700 isn't without its cons. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, and the price tag is higher than entry-level machines, which might discourage some. But if you're serious about sewing and embroidery, this machine is well worth the investment. Why buy the Brother SE700? If you're looking to elevate your sewing experience and dive into the world. Product number 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is a powerhouse that truly lives up to its name. When I first plugged it in, I was impressed by its sturdy build. The full metal frame gives it a robust feel, and at 17.6 pounds, it's built to last. I decided to test it out on some thicker materials, denim and canvas, and I was pleasantly surprised by its enhanced piercing power. This machine handled multiple layers like a champ, and I found myself whipping out projects faster than I thought possible. With 110 stitch applications, I was able to explore everything from basic seams to decorative stitches, allowing me to personalize my creations extensively. The one-step buttonhole feature was incredibly convenient and made my sewing projects look professional. I also appreciated the top drop-in bobbin that came with a clear view cover, which made monitoring my thread supply a non-issue. However, it's worth noting that while the Singer 4452 is powerful, it might not be the best fit for very delicate fabrics. I had some trouble with silk, as it tended to bunch up a bit. Additionally, while the built-in needle threader is a fantastic feature, I found it slightly finicky at times. Ultimately, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is perfect for anyone who wants a machine that can tackle a variety of projects without breaking the bank. If you're after power and reliability. Product number 4. Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother CS7000X is an absolute gem for both sewing and quilting enthusiasts. The first thing I noticed was its sleek design and user-friendly interface. Weighing in at 14 pounds, it's still lightweight enough to move around, but sturdy enough to handle larger projects. When I began testing its 70 unique built-in stitches, including utility and decorative stitches, I felt like I had a whole world of creativity at my fingertips. The automatic needle threader was a lifesaver. It made starting new projects a quick and hassle-free process. One feature that stood out to me was the large needle-to-arm workspace. This extra room allowed me to tackle bigger projects, especially quilting, with ease. I found that the included wide table was perfect for supporting my larger pieces, providing a stable platform as I sewed. However, I did notice that the machine's plastic components, while functional, could feel a bit less durable than the metal ones found in other models. Additionally, while the stitch selection is impressive, some advanced users might find it lacking for more specialized techniques. But for most users, the Brother CS7000X provides exceptional value. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile sewing machine that can handle a wide variety of projects, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for both beginners and those with some experience looking to explore quilting without breaking the bank. Product number 5. Brother FB1757X Mechanical Sewing Machine. The Brother FB1757X is a great option for anyone looking for simplicity and efficiency in a sewing machine. When I first unboxed it, its lightweight design, 14.72 pounds, made it incredibly easy to set up and move around. With 17 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole style, I found it perfect for quick sewing projects and basic clothing alterations. One of the features I appreciated most was the reverse button, which allowed me to reinforce my seams easily. This machine is designed for those who want to get straight to sewing without the bells and whistles of more advanced models, and it really excels at that. The LED lighting in the work area was also a thoughtful touch, providing ample visibility for detailed work. However, it does have some limitations. While it's perfect for light to medium fabrics, I wouldn't recommend it for heavier materials. The mechanical nature of this machine means it lacks some of the advanced features that computerized models offer, which might limit creativity for some users. But if you're a beginner or someone who wants a straightforward, no-frills sewing experience, the Brother FB1757X is a fantastic choice. It's affordable and reliable, making it a great investment for anyone. So there you have it, my top 5 sewing machines that cater to a range of sewing needs and budgets. Each one offers unique features that can help you bring your sewing projects to life. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a machine here for you. Happy sewing!